Think you need perfect credit to get a VA home loan? Think again. In fact, the VA doesn't actually set a minimum credit score requirement, but that doesn't mean everyone will qualify. Let's talk about how credit scores work when applying for a VA home loan and how you can still qualify, even if your credit score isn't perfect. While the VA doesn't require a minimum credit score, most lenders will. Typically, they'll expect a 620 FICO score, but it can vary depending on the lender. And here's where it gets good. Some lenders may accept lower scores depending on the rest of your financial situation, like your income and debt to income ratio. Here's a pro tip. Even if your credit score is below 620, you could still qualify for a VA loan if other factors are in your favor. For instance, if you have a solid employment history, low debt, and a high residual income, meaning you have plenty left after your basic expenses, you might still get approved. Another key point is that VA loans are generally more forgiving than conventional loans when it comes to past financial mishaps. Bankruptcies, foreclosures, and short sales can all happen, but the VA loan program allows veterans to recover faster than they would with a traditional loan. Now, if you're feeling a little anxious about your credit score, here's some good news. Improving your credit score can be a lot easier than you think. Paying off old debts, making sure your credit cards are under 30% of their limit, and checking for errors on your credit report can help boost your score in a short amount of time. These errors may include things like late payments that weren't your fault, or a payment that was made on time, but the creditor marked as late. Here's one final tip. Even if your credit isn't perfect, don't let that stop you from applying for a VA loan. The VA loan program is one of the most valuable mortgage options for veterans, and there's a lot of room for flexibility. If you're not sure where to start, you can always reach out to a VA representative for help. Want to know if you qualify for a VA loan? Veterans Guide can help you every step of the way. Contact us today and let's get you started on your journey to home ownership. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on VA loans and drop any questions you have below. Let's make your dream home a reality.